What if doing less could help you achieve more? We live in a world obsessed with multitasking. More tabs, more goals, more hustle. But Gary Keller's The One Thing flips the script. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Today, we're breaking down The One Thing, a simple, powerful productivity philosophy that can change the way you work, prioritize, and live. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, distracted, or stuck in busy work, this book is your reset button. Let's dive in. Who is Gary Keller, and what's The One Thing about? Gary Keller is the co-founder of Keller Williams, one of the largest real estate companies in the world. But he didn't build it by doing everything, he built it by focusing on one thing at a time. That obsession became the heart of this book. The One Thing is about extreme clarity and focus. It's about asking the right question and building your life around the answer. What's the core idea? Here it is. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it everything else will be easier or unnecessary? That's the focusing question. It's not just catchy, it's transformative. Because most people wake up every day asking, what do I need to get done? This question asks, what will actually move the needle? Your one thing is the high-impact action that creates momentum, results, and clarity. The domino effect. The authors introduce a powerful metaphor, the domino. When you line up dominoes, each one can knock over something bigger than itself. Focus is like that. If you knock over your one thing consistently, it builds unstoppable momentum. But if your attention is scattered, the line breaks. You stay stuck. This is why multitasking kills productivity. It's not a badge of honor. It's a thief of effectiveness. The lies we tell ourselves. The book breaks down several productivity lies, beliefs that hold us back. Everything matters equally. It doesn't. Most things are noise. A few things drive real results. Multitasking works. It doesn't. You're switching tasks, not doing both well. Willpower is always on call. It's not. Willpower is a limited resource. Use it wisely. A balanced life is ideal. Balance sounds good, but greatness requires focus, sometimes imbalance in the right direction. Big is bad. Dreaming big isn't the problem. Thinking small is. Each of these lies feeds distraction, burnout, and mediocre results. Time blocking and protecting your focus. The authors are big on time blocking, carving out dedicated chunks of time on your calendar for your one thing. This isn't a suggestion. It's a non-negotiable. Your most important work needs your best energy, not your leftovers. That means block time early in the day before interruptions pile up. Treat that time like a meeting with your future self. Say no to everything that doesn't align with your one thing. This isn't about being rigid, it's about being strategic. You can't do everything, but you can do what matters most. Goal setting to the now. Another powerful concept is what the book calls goal setting to the now. You start with your someday goal, your big vision. Then ask, what's the one thing I can do this year, this month, this week, today to make that goal a reality? This backward mapping turns a vague dream into a daily focus. It's like reverse engineering your success. Discipline versus habit. The book argues you don't need to be disciplined forever. You just need enough discipline to build a habit. Once the habit kicks in, momentum takes over. So don't think, I need to be perfect forever. Think, can I be consistent long enough to build the right habit? That's manageable and powerful. Application for entrepreneurs, creators, and leaders. This isn't just a theory, it's tactical. Let's say you're building a business. You might be tempted to post on every platform, learn 10 skills at once, launch 3 projects. But your one thing might be building a repeatable lead generation system, creating one killer offer, publishing one great piece of content consistently. When you find your one thing and pour into it, results compound. In my own journey launching The Dive with Phil, I had to ask myself, what's the one thing I can do every day to grow this channel? The answer, write and record one great video daily. Not 10 strategies, just one clear priority. That's how momentum builds. One step. One domino. Key takeaways. Ask the focusing question daily. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Say no to multitasking and yes to focus. Time block for your most important work. Build habits that support your goals. Goals set backwards from your vision to today's action. The truth? Success isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters and doing it well. What's your one thing right now? Is it launching your brand? Finishing that course? Writing that pitch? Getting consistent with content? Whatever it is, block time for it. Honor it. Start today. And if you found this summary valuable, like this video, subscribe to The Dive with Phil, and comment below with the one thing you're focusing on this week. Tomorrow's book is The Lean Startup, a must-watch if you're building a business or launching a big idea. Until then, stay focused, stay consistent, and keep knocking down your dominoes.